In this video, we will explore the sacral and coccygeal plexuses, their formation, major branches, and the regions they innervate. These nerve networks play a crucial role in motor and sensory functions of the lower limbs and pelvic structures. The sacral plexus is formed by the anterior rami of the lumbosacral trunk and the first three sacral nerves. It gives rise to several important nerves including the sciatic nerve and the pudendal nerve. This plexus supplies motor and sensory innervation to the pelvic floor, hip joint muscles, and pelvic organs. The sciatic nerve, the largest nerve in the body, emerges from the sacral plexus and supplies the hamstring muscles. At the midpoint of the femur, it divides into two major branches, the tibial nerve and the common peroneal nerve. These nerves further subdivide to innervate the lower leg and foot. The tibial nerve continues down the posterior leg and innervates the sole of the foot. Its sural branch supplies the heel and lateral ankle. The common peroneal nerve divides into deep and superficial branches. The deep peroneal nerve supplies the anterior compartment muscles and web space between toes. The superficial peroneal nerve innervates the lateral leg muscles and most of the dorsal foot skin. The pudendal nerve arises from the sacral plexus and supplies the external anal sphincter, external urethral sphincter, and adjacent skin. The coccygeal plexus, formed by parts of S4, S5, and the coccygeal nerve, innervates the skin around the coccyx and the coccygeus muscles. Both contribute to pelvic floor function and continence.